Package dimensions: 8L x 2 HX 5W, inches. Package weight: 2 pounds. Country of origin: China. Part number: 2848DAT. Chrome barbell hitch pin package. 5/8 diameter hitch pin fits most Class 3 IV2 receivers, and a 1/2 diameter hitch pin fits Class 1 to 1-1/4 receivers. The keyed-alike stainless steel adjustable coupler lock fits spans that range from 9/16 to -3/4. Top reviews from the United States. Works great on my trailer and tow hitches. I got these to use on my trailer and receiver on my truck. I use the small lock to secure the ball receiver on my trailer when it is parked in storage. The larger pins are used on the receiver on my truck. I love that they are both keyed alike and easy to lock and unlock when in use on my truck and trailer.